Holly is going to demonstrate the safe way to use an easy stand. It's important that the sling is placed properly. The lower portion of the sling will be at the waistline. The sling should always be placed with the strap side out. The upper portion of the sling, which is padded, will rest directly underneath the armpits. The green and black loops are the loops that will hook onto the actual machinery. The buckle will be secured around the waist of your patient. The easy stand transfer is always going to be a two-person transfer. The lever that you see Holly using opens the base of the machine. When moving a patient, you want to have the legs of the machine open for balance. Prior to moving a patient, make sure that the locks are always locked. Now we're going to place the sling on our person while she's in a sitting position with her feet planted on the floor. We will place the sling so that the guide loop lands between the shoulder blades, belt around the waist, and pulled to a snug position. Ensuring that the loops are still free, we will begin to pull the machine forward, lifting our patient's feet onto the base, making sure that her legs are snug against the leg rest, strapping legs secure behind her calves, and then we'll use those green and black loops and attach those to the actual easy stand. Make sure that your person grabs the handles from the outside of the easy stand. We're going to make sure that the legs are open, the locks are locked, and we're going to communicate with our patient exactly what we're going to do. Notice that Holly's hand is on the back of the sling at the guide loop. Now we have unlocked the brakes and we are able to transfer our person to her wheelchair. Once the wheelchair is in place and locked, the person is in place and locked, we will begin to lower our person to the wheelchair. Again, we're making sure that she's ready. Holly is guiding our person down into the wheelchair so that she doesn't hit either side. We'll now begin to take the green and black straps off, whichever you choose to use, and we will unharness her ankles. We will remove our person's feet from the footboard and slowly move the easy stand away. We will have our patient lean forward and remove the sleeve. Be certain to reposition the footrests on the wheelchair. We will lock them and we will safely guide our patient's feet on the footrests. And now your person is ready to move.